Hey, hi, hello. What is up, y'all? Hope you had a fantastic weekend, or week, whenever you're watching this. My name is Linnea. For those of you that are new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. Sometimes we occasionally do fun projects, and today is one of those fun project kind of videos. So the way that this came about is I had some parsley that I got from the store and I didn't want it to go bad. Now I do have a dehydrator, but I didn't want to get that out, and I know you can dry things out in the oven, whatever. But for a while now I have been thinking of making some sort of place in my kitchen where I can hang dry herbs and garlic and all that kind of stuff. So I will show you. I have a wall over on the side of my kitchen that I had a plan for. Here, let me just take y'all over there. You go see my wall. Okay. This is the wall. Now, the idea was to take this sign down, or just move it in general, and hang a rope or two going from there to there to there to there, so then I can just hang my herbs. And I told Jonathan that, who is my husband, and he said, yeah, that sounds like a fantastic idea. I think we can do that, because we have little hangers, we have rope, we had all the stuff. And then he decided that it was going to be a larger project than it should be. So we had some scrap wood. I will show you all the process of us doing this, but we had some scrap wood and he cut it down to the size of this. We did 2 of them. And then he drilled some holes in there because he wants to anchor it to the wall. Whatever. And so then I stained this wood, and then we've got some hooks and we've got some dowel rods that we're going to put on there. And that will be the way we hang dry herbs. So just come along with me as I go through the process of staining this wood and figuring out exactly where I want it on this wall. If this is something you're interested in doing in your own kitchen, well then definitely follow along. So just come with me. This should be a fairly short video. I don't think I'm gonna yap very much in it, so just come along with me. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already. All right, let's go. you.